Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Gigi with another nail art tutorial video attempt. You tell me in the comment section below, which one do you think it is? So what we're doing is making just a pretty fall leaf, nice and red and orange and yellow and all the fall colors all together in one really cool leaf, and I'm just sketching that out right now. So while I do that, and then what I'm going to do is start to color it, and I'm going to start with the red in the center. I'm just finishing up this sketch of it. The outline of it will end up being done several times, so if you're going to do something like this, the first sketch isn't the most important part. It's going to end up being covered, so just give yourself a good idea of what you're trying to accomplish, really. That's what I do anyway. So while I color this in, starting with the red, let me apologize for no video on Friday. And honestly, even as I record this, I hope it's going to go up tomorrow. I made this video a few days ago, but I'm doing the voiceover here on Sunday night, and I hope it's going to be up tomorrow, but I'm having some serious issues with my internet, and I'm going to go into the whole story once it's settled on a Get Ready With Me on my other channel. Real quickly, I made this orange using that red and the yellow that we're going to be using here in just a moment. So what I'm doing now is just graduating the color from the red into that pretty orange along the tips of the leaves. And we're going to leave a little space for some yellow there too. So anyway, but I'm having internet issues, and I'll go into all the details on the other channel. Suffice it to say, I hope I'm going to be able to upload tomorrow. If not, oh, I'm going to be angry. So, and I'm already really frustrated because I've been dealing with this since Wednesday night, and it's just a real nightmare. So I apologize for no video on Friday. Hopefully, even if you do get a video, if this video comes up on Monday, it's going to be late, y'all. So when you're seeing this, if you're like, wow, it's about time you got this video up, forgive me, and thank you for your understanding. Now that you know, I've been having some struggles. So I'm just coming back in with a little more of that red, because I just felt like I love the orange, needed a little more red in the center, right? Just a little more, and I'm pulling a little bit through each little tip of the leaf. And now that same yellow that I used to make the orange with that red, we're just coming in and adding some of that as well to continue that variegation, that graduation, or ombre, if you will, of colors. So I had a really frustrating weekend. Please let me know in the comment section, how was your weekend? Did you guys have a great weekend? Did you do anything? Did you just stay home COVID style? I don't know about you guys, but COVID is taking a toll on me. I can't even feel that bad, because luckily I've really been super militant about staying away from people and being careful when I am near people and wearing my mask to protect anyone I come in contact with, just in case, you know, my measures are not effective. But I see too much of people disregarding science. So it's really hard to stay positive, because I want to go back. I want everything to go back too. I miss going to the movies, and I want to go eat out, and I want to get on the bus and go shopping, and go to the nail shop and sit on the floor and go through glitter. So I know you're with me on that one. So now we're just coming in with some more of that brown, giving it a little more definition. We're going to outline this over and over until I'm happy. So there you go. That's just how that goes. Low cleanup, you know, I am the queen of cleanups. Now, I don't know why this pulled out like that. It's just that I've talked about it before on the channel. That editing program on my phone sucks. And I do the best I can, but sometimes it does nonsense like this and won't not do it. Like in the video, that orange color there, I used that in another video coming up. Now I'm just going to make kind of a matte frame sort of situation around the leaf with this. It's really more of a tealy blue color than what you see. And part of me wishes I'd stopped right there. But the other part of me really likes the full frame around it. You let me know what you think I should have done. But I like the idea of it, so that maybe, even right there, just doing corners, that may be something we see in an upcoming video. So, don't be surprised if you see that in a thumbnail. Be all, she was talking about that. Because yes, I am talking about that. But I did go ahead and surround it completely with this. But anyway, that orange color, I'm going to use that in another video coming up. It's very reminiscent of this one. Similar flavor. I think I did pull it off a little better. I really love that nail. Cannot wait for you to see that video. Not positive when it's coming out. As soon as I finish this voiceover, I'm going to finish editing. Finish the edit on this video. Get it up on the computer so it's ready to upload. And then I am going to work some more tonight. So we'll see what I come up with. It may or may not be the next video. We'll see. And I don't mean to leave you hanging, but that's why you click the bell and click the subscribe button so you don't miss an upload. What? You don't want to miss an upload. You don't want to miss one. It's upload season. We don't got no reasons except that we like the pretty nails. We can't say it even when we fail. We love our nails. Okay, sorry, that was crazy. But you know, sometimes with the nail art, you get a little song. And that's just how I roll. So anyway, we're just going to finish filling that in. And after curing, I'm just going to add a little visual interest with some black lines. Nothing major. We're not going to completely surround it. Just, you know, sort of a modern... I think the whole design is sort of modern art, so I just thought a little visual interest would be really fun. And then it's time to use a little top coat to not quite give it a full 3D effect, but I did sort of want just a little pop, right, of the leaf coming out from the blue background. I just wanted it to pop from that. And I did do along the side there. I don't think it really showed while I was doing the blue background. It's a little darker on the side there. So just to sort of indicate a shadow. So I just thought popping it a little bit with that would be interesting and fun. So now, because I'm never happy, I'm coming in with another outline. So what is that, like our, if you count the sketch, that's like 4 now? Something like that. So I made a little bit darker brown just with that same black and the brown we already used. Because I like to, you know, like we used all the colors here all blend together, because even when I changed it up, I blended the colors together. So I like that, the way that if you mix the colors, you can make them really cohesive that way. So, because the red and the yellow make the orange, and the black and the brown make the darker brown. So they all go together. And it's top coat time! All right, guys, you're going to have to let me know in the comment section if you like this leaf. What kind of look would you pair it with? And what would you like to see in upcoming videos? Don't forget, clicking my buttons and sharing this video helps this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to see you in the next one. Bye, you guys. Bye.